Wonder if we could change subject. And you mentioned reuse, and we're in a reuse facility. So, what is Castle Rock doing to reuse the water that we already have?
So that's a really exciting piece of what we're up to. We're really one of the leaders in the state with respect to reuse. There's only a few places in the state that have an advanced water treatment plant like this. So the bottom line is most of our water rights allow us to reuse that water to extinction. And that's the reason we built this facility, is to be able to put all that water to reuse. Now, the way it works for us is the water is used here in Castle Rock, and as you know, it goes to a water reclamation facility just north of town. The water gets treated there to environmental standards, and it gets put back into East Plum Creek. The water then flows down about 5-6 miles into Sedalia, and we have a facility there where we take that water back out of the creek, along with some of the native water in the creek, and we put it in a reservoir, and then we pump it back to this facility. Now, this facility is state-of-the-art. It's one of the most advanced treatment plants you can find in the country. One of the reasons is this plant was actually designed to reuse the water directly from the water reclamation facility.
Oh, wow.
So we currently put that water into the creek, and we float it down to Sedalia, and then we bring it back, and we treat it through this facility. And this facility has a whole bunch of advanced treatment processes to remove things that are not even regulated by state and federal requirements. So you end up with a really clean water here. You know, most places in this country are doing what we call de facto reuse, where part of their water supply is influenced by water reclamation facilities that have treated that water and put it back into the river. But they don't necessarily specifically have the advanced treatment processes in place to address that. So this facility does. Eventually, and we're working with the state of Colorado on this, we will set this facility and our system up to be able to take the water directly from the water reclamation facility back here for treatment and reuse. So you're probably wondering, why is that important? Why would we do that? Because it's more efficient. It's more cost effective, and it also ensures that we don't lose water when we put it back into the creek. Some of that water can evaporate or soak into the sands, especially in a drought.